Good morning! Welcome to the vlog. I'm vlogging today. A little tired, but I'm doing good, okay? I'm thriving, I'm living, I'm, doing my best. Here's what's happened today. I slept in. It is 12:15 now. How to not be that girl. I am not that girl. I am the opposite of that girl. I'm me, I'm Alex. Welcome to the channel. So I was watching a video from Hannah Elise and it's called Life Isn't Always Exciting and That's Okay. And I was like, you know what, I'm gonna watch this, obviously, because I love her videos. And so I've been feeling a little down lately. A little like, I've had like a creative block, and then when I have creative blocks I feel kind of sad. And like, it really made me feel better because I've been watching like all these like girlies, all the girlies on YouTube, and their life looks really exciting. And I'm like, I wake up, I eat, I try and lure Logan to my house. That's my boyfriend. But this video just showed that like, you don't need to be doing something exciting, and it made me feel a lot better. So I commented, "This video was so calming to watch and inspired me to start vlogging again. We love to see you thrive." This is a sign, right? This is definitely a sign. I'll put the thing up on the screen. That's a sign, right? Like I should do some more vlogging. I don't vlog a whole lot anymore because people are like, you're not gonna get that many views, or like videos say that. But like, I'm not really doing this to get views. Like the vlogging videos aren't really for views. Yeah, sometimes I'll do some things for views. Not like crazy things, but like I'll plan out my videos better. But the vlogs are more like, when I'm older, I can go back and watch all of these and have all these memories. And to me, that's really, really, really special. And I would rather my kids be watching me vlogging than me talking about the vegan teacher or turning myself into Belle Delphine. Actually, you know what? That's great. And you know what else is great? The video of me turning myself into Santa. I went through literal pain for that. But anyways, we are vlogging today. I'm feeling good. I'm feeling really good. I don't really have YouTubers respond to my comments because they probably get a gazillion a day. Hi! 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 Oh my god, she like stuck her tongue in my ear. No, not into that. Oh, hi. Good morning, baby.
Okay.
We love Croc season. Croc season is needed. Hello, sir. I'm vlogging today. What are you doing?
I was coming over to drop off some McDonald's.
Aw, you're very nice. Thank
I got
you.
A Coke and a 6-pack milk.
Aw, thank you.
You're welcome.
You're very sweet. That's a vlogging lifestyle, Logan.
Absolutely.
What made you think of me to get McDonald's?
Well, I was driving and I saw McDonald's. And you like McDonald's?
I do, but a lot of people like McDonald's.
Well, I like you. I don't like a lot of people.
Oh. Have you had ribbo porks before?
Ribble?
Rib-o pork.
No. Ribeye.
Basically, it's what's on the McRib. I love it. My dad got some today. He's like,
really?
oh, I got you a surprise.
2 surprises in one day, and they're both food. Lucky you. Right. I haven't had a junior chicken in a while.
How did this turn into a mukbang? I'm trying not to point it at you because I know you don't like eating on camera.
Yes, thank you.
But I do. She's back. She's back again. Guess who's back? It's Freckles. Still have to get our camper up. I'm excited to go camping this summer. There's gonna be so many fun adventures. I have that on 4K but 24 frames a second and it looked very weird to me. I don't know. That was nice of Logan to say hello. I thought that was sweet. And he got me nuggets. We love nuggets. Who did this? Who did this? I did that. This looks kind of weird. I don't know how I feel about this. I think I have to like adjust where it is. But this is so much better for driving vlogs. I'm actually like really excited. Yeah, this looks a lot better. Because before it was like I could only have you on my vent and like it was like at a very low angle and I have like not the most pronounced jawline. It's like my neck. You know, I have like that kind of shape of face. This is so much better. I'm pumped right now. Like I'm so happy about this. But I have to do some like errands today. So I'm gonna be taking in empties and doing some cleaning and organizing. I don't know if I'll get around to cleaning my car today. It's not a huge deal. Also, I don't know why it's making that sound. Hello, sir. Hello? Hello? Where's our family? Where'd they go? Sir? Sir? Oh, look at you. Little fuzzball. Little fuzzy guy. Hi! Hello! How are you? Oh. We are gonna clean up a little sitting area right now by like the back door. Whoa! Angry kitty. Do you like my Crocs? Yes, we do. I'm gonna show you a little before and after. Oh, it's on the move.
You have to put it beside an acorn to show its real size.
It's not an acorn, it's a pine cone.
Pine cone.
Ooh. Oh my god, it keeps going. Oh, it's not, well, it's thick, but regular size. I'm not gonna body shape. The worm is still alive. I promise you the worm is still alive. We just moved it into a different part of the yard, so Freckles didn't get it. Freckles likes to, this is our little beagle dog, she likes to pick worms and bugs up in her mouth, keep them alive, and then place them in the house somewhere for us to find. It's like one of her hobbies, and we really just don't appreciate that, so we're just gonna keep the worms away from Freckles. That's how it looks right now. So that's all the stuff that's like supposed to be fine from the flood. That's just a broom. We have these new cushions. The blue ones are new. They're really, really nice actually. This table's seen some better days. It's been broken and yeah. We got our little umbrella for when it's sunny. My wagon has seen better days as well. Needs to be cleaned. And then we have the swing. And it's all fenced in. And some recycling. This is our garbage pile to take to the dump. Yeah, I like it. Did you chew this? Did you chew that as a puppy? Did you chew the windowsill? That's not very nice. That's bad. Yeah. People say that there's a woman to blame. Do-do-do. Look at you. Oh, and you helped. Yes, you're very helpful today. Thank you, Oreo. Hi. How's the beagle? How's my little beagle friend? What's up? Hi. Is that a good bone? Do you like your bone? Of course I injured my back today. Can't just have a smooth day. Something bad's gotta happen. I need a daiquiri. I need a daiquiri. We got some yard work done. We brought in the empties. I didn't show that because it's just like, we're just going to bring in empties. That says January, that calendar back there. A little embarrassing. Hello. Anyways, I injured my back. I'm in pain. It could be worse, but this is the worst I've ever injured my back. I don't really know what to do about it. So yeah, we are just chilling for the rest of the night. Maybe I'll have a bath. I don't know. I don't know yet. We'll see. But yeah, living La Vida Loca. What she's doing, so don't even ask. I put a sweater on because the t-shirt that I'm wearing has my old works logo on it, and I don't think they would appreciate that. I usually use micellar water. I'm using this stuff. She's sleeping. I love her so much. Also, this is my reality. I have clothes. I gotta put them away again. Look at you. Hi. You're so beautiful. You tired? Want to snuggle? I love you so much. She's so tired. No. It's my favorite part of the night. That bath did help me feel better. Of course, she joined to have some pasta salad. Or at least she thought that whole pasta salad was for her or something. She was looking at me like, when are you gonna give me my pasta salad? But like the bath salts in it really, really helped my back. This is the dream. This is the dream. There's a whole queen size bed, but you know, I like that you guys want to cuddle. It's very sweet. This hot chocolate is so good. Sorry, you can barely see me because my Xbox got dark. It makes me look so pink. Anyways, this hot chocolate is so good. It's literally compliments or like no name, whatever you want to call it. It's not like a name brand hot chocolate. And it's so freaking good. It's so chocolatey. It's so delicious. I love it. I'm thriving. My back hurts, but I am thriving. What are you doing? Why is there fluff on my bed? Stinky gang going to the bathroom. Go pee. Go to the bathrooms.